Are you looking to build your business credit like a boss? Well, you're in luck. I've created this awesome ebook where you can learn how to build business credit and get over $500,000 in business funding. It's on sale right now, $40 on sale. Original price is $125. I am giving you guys this at a highly discounted price, but only 100 copies will be sold at this price. Click the link in the description below or in the pinned comments. You are already a boss, so why not get that business credit like a boss?
Hey everyone, it's your girl designer Soapbox, and I am back with another video. So in today's video, we're going to talk about how to delete your old collections or charge-offs from your credit report. So if you're interested, stay tuned. So let's talk about how to delete your old collections and charge-offs from your credit report. I want to introduce you guys to a method that can help you delete your old charge-offs and collections. So if you don't know, it takes 7 years for your charge-offs and collections to automatically fall from your credit report. And if you're planning on repairing your credit, I know it takes a lot to remove those. So if you have those old collections, those old charge-offs, and it's coming close to your 7-year mark, well, I'm here to talk about what you can do to get those removed early. So let's talk about this method. This method is called the early exclusion method, okay? Now what this early exclusion method is when the credit bureaus can remove a negative trade line, account, or collection or item that is coming up close to its removal date. So again, it takes 7 years to remove your collections or charge-offs from your credit report. Well, the early exclusion can help you remove it earlier. So I'm going to give you guys some tips and steps on how you can do that with all credit bureaus. So with Experian, you can remove your collections and charge-offs using the early exclusion method within 2 to 3 months. So what you need to do is call Experian and let them know that you have a collection or charge-off account that is going to be automatically removed in 2 to 3 months. And you need to call within 2 to 3 months of it being removed. Ask them that you would like to do the early exclusion, and this is basically telling them that you want it early excluded from your credit report. So they are willing to remove that within 2 to 3 months prior to its removal date. So make sure you pull your free credit report from annualcreditreport.com and make sure you keep note on those dates that your collections and charge-offs fall off. Now this is only for collections on Experian that are from 2 to 3 months about to fall off from your credit report. Now let's talk about Equifax. Equifax will allow you to remove your collections 1 to 2 months early from the collection removal date that is listed on your credit report. So make sure you pull your free annual credit report from annualcreditreport.com and make sure you keep note of the dates of when all of your collections accounts are going to automatically remove within the 3 credit bureaus. So Experian is 2 to 3 months. Equifax is 1 to 2 months early. So make sure you are aware of that, and all you need to do is call Equifax and let them know that, hey, my collection account will be automatically removed in the next 2 months. I would like to dispute it with an early exclusion, and they will put in that dispute for you. Now TransUnion will allow 6 months early. So I will get on that right away. If you have a collection that is going to be removed within 6 months of right now or whenever your collection is removed, make sure you keep note that you can ask for early exclusion with TransUnion 6 months prior. So call Experian, call Equifax, call TransUnion, and make sure you get the early exclusion. Now, of course, with disputing or with methods, they change every year, every month, every week. So again, I am recording this video on May 9th, 2021, and this method is working. Now, I do have some helpful tips for you guys when calling the credit bureaus and asking for the early exclusion. Make sure you are talking to a disputing rep when you do call, and if they say no, just try again and try again. A lot of representatives are brand new to the credit bureau, or a lot of them are outsourced, so a lot of them don't know about the early exclusion. So you want to try again and try again. Don't let them tell you no for the first time. On this channel, we don't take no for an answer, and also we use methods that work, and we want success for you guys. Sometimes methods work after 1 or 2 tries. So I want to inform you if you call the representative, because some representatives don't know about the early exclusion method, okay? Now they may tell you no, or they may say, I never heard of that before, this has not happened. Don't allow them to tell you no. Call again, try again, and try again. Now, if you are consistent and persistent at getting this removed, it will work for you guys. Okay, I believe you guys can do it, and I'm rooting for you guys. So comment down below your results. Let me know if you tried this and it worked for you. Now, also make sure you like this video. This information is very vital for the community, and if you like this video, it will get out to a larger audience to help others. And make sure you subscribe if you haven't, and check out those ebooks, guys. I do have a collection and charge-off removal guide that will allow you to remove your other collections and charge-offs that are recent using the steps in the ebook. So make sure you guys check those out, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And don't forget, guys, I love you all. Bye.
Hey, have you heard about the Charge-Off and Collection Express Removal Guide that I have available? A step-by-step guide to remove negative charge-offs and collections from your credit report rapidly. These steps are easy, and you don't need a credit repair company to do this. It's all step-by-step that you can do on your own. Check it out. It's 50% off right now. You don't want to miss out at designersoapbox.com, or you can check the pinned comment or link in the description below to find that link. Make sure you check it out. It's 50% off right now, guys. Don't miss out. Hurry, hurry. Hi everyone, this is Designer Soapbox. I just wanted to make this video to guys let you know that I am having a 50% off sale for 72 hours. Yes, a 50% off sale on the 24-hour express inquiry removal guide and also the late payment removal guide. So just head down to the description or to the pinned comments and click the link and get your 50% off. Remember, this inquiry removal will help you remove hard inquiries from your credit report within 24 hours. And then the late payment guide will help you remove your late payments very fast, super fast actually. If you're tired of disputing your late payments, waiting 30 to 45 days, this is a quicker method of getting these late payments removed. So if you guys enjoyed a lot of my content, I talk about this in my videos. However, I have this in an ebook. I'm doing 50% off for you guys. If you missed the 60% off sale, I'm doing one for 50% off. So I'll see you guys in the next video, and thanks for supporting, and make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Bye. One for 50% off. So I'll see you guys in the next video, and thanks for supporting, and make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Bye. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Don't forget to add me on OnlyFans, where we discuss tips and hacks that we can't post on YouTube at onlyfans.com/designersoapbox. Don't forget to add me on Instagram at designersoapbox. And don't forget to check out those ebooks that we got on sale, honey, at designersoapbox.com, where you remove your hard inquiries, late payments, collections, and more. So make sure you check that out. And I'll see you guys in the next video. And don't forget, guys, I love you all. Bye.